Hello and welcome. In today's lesson, ways of cooking. Ways of cooking. Ways of cooking. Okay, let's begin. Let's barbecue. To barbecue, to broil, or to grill. To barbecue. To barbecue, to broil, or to grill. To barbecue, to broil, or to grill. To bake. To bake. You can bake some biscuits. To boil. The teapot is boiling. To boil. You can also boil potatoes. To boil. To dress a salad. To dress. To dress. To flambe or to flambe. Flambe or flambe. To flambe or to flambe. Let's fry some eggs. To fry. To fry. To fry. To deep fry. To deep fry. To deep fry. To deep fry. To grill. To grill. To grill. To microwave and to heat. Microwave. To microwave. Heat. To heat. To microwave and to heat. To microwave the popcorn. To heat the soup. To poach. To poach. To poach some eggs. In the oven, you can roast the chicken. Roast. To roast. To steam. To steam. Steam the vegetables. To toast. To toast. To toast. Okay, ways of cooking in English checked. Thanks for watching.